Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add websites to Pinterest. Let's say you want to connect your Pinterest account to your website or connect your website to your Pinterest account. How do you do it? From your home menu here, click on your profile icon on the top right corner, click on view profile, then click on edit profile, and then you see claimed accounts over here by the left. Click on claimed accounts, and then you can see website, then you click on claim. Then you can now add the website HTML tag. You can upload the HTML tag to your website root directly, download, add TXT, that is text record, to your domain, and once you're through, click on continue. Okay, let's say this is what I'm using. I click on continue. Then you add your website URL below and click the button to verify and follow the prompt. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.